Let's try adding and subtracting decimals. How about 6 and 9/10 plus 10 minus 1 and 534 thousandths minus 3/10. Now we notice here that we have more than one operation going on. The first thing we need to do is use our GEMS, our order of operation, in order to solve this. So we know that our G stands for grouping. That means we're going to do this grouping first. I'm going to do my work here on this side. And then we can do that. So 10. And here's where it might get a little tricky. Remember, every whole number has an invisible decimal right after it. So you could write 10 like that, and that would mean the same thing. Now, because we need to subtract 1 and 534 thousandths from it, that works out because we need to have a decimal to line up. So we're going to subtract these. You can add some zeros if you like. And when we subtract it, we're going to have, let's see here, we need to borrow from here. This is going to be 9, this is going to be 9, this is going to be 9, this is going to be 10. So we're going to have 6, 4, and 8. So we're going to rewrite over here as 6 and 9/10 plus 8 and 466 thousandths minus 3/10. Now the next thing we need to do is add or subtract, and remember we do this from left to right. So that means we're going to add these up first. So we can do this on the side over here. Let's put this on top, might be a little easier. 6.9, then we can add those zeros. We're going to add those. Remember, the commutative property says that it doesn't matter which order we add numbers in. So we can put whichever one on top. Don't do that when you're subtracting, though. And then we have 15. Okay, so now we're going to rewrite this. 15 and 366 thousandths minus 3/10. Okay, and when we rewrite this to write it vertically, remember this one goes on top, and then we line up the decimals. So if you need to, you can absolutely add those zeros as placeholders. And we're subtracting. And we're left with 15 and 66 thousandths.